we the business women in Upper East region are saying that what is making business to stand still in this region are as follows. Our Honorable Minister almost mentioned Hamilton, but I will still mention it since I've already drafted for that. Most men do not perform their duties in this country. Some of the duties are payment of school fees, feeding the homes, produce, and so many other mentions. That is preventing the business not to grow in this particular region. Because the little capital that we the women have to use in our business, we end up by using some of this money to pay the fees of the children, feed the home, clothing, even paying light bills and water bills. Yeah, some women do. Yeah. And again, apart from that, the high interest rates by financial companies are also making businesses not to grow. You go and pick a loan, and at the end, you even pay more than what you have taken from the financial institution. How will the business grow? And again, lack of support from government to women in business. I think if government come out to support women in business, and then even though you come with that support, but we will pay the monies back to government, but it should be without interest, monies without interest. That can help women to grow in business. And we are saying that poor roads are also attributes to that, because you can see most women travel from far places to do business. And at the end, because of the poor roads, these armed robbers are able to always put certain things on the road, because the low cars cannot run as the way it is expected to. So they will start us on these roads and confiscate all our capitals from us. So if they are able to do something about the roads, it will help the region.